Welcome to Java JSON. Or in this video, we are going to discuss about operators in Java. So basically, operators is very important topics, and in Java. So as a developer, you have to aware about each and every operators, like what is the use, when we are using it, and we have to take actions like exactly where we have to use. Okay, so that is very important operators in Java. So basically, if you go some company like TCS, Wipro, as a freshers, then definitely they will ask like what is operators. And if you are experienced guys, then for the logical programming or some DSA programming, yeah, if you want to write some coding, so definitely you have to know about the operators. Okay, so in Java having is like so many types of the operators. Okay, we can discuss in this video. The operators in Java can be broadly classified into the following category. Okay, so here you can see the category like the operator is classified. Okay, what do you mean by the operators? So operator is something who is doing work on the operand. Operand is what? For example, I have a 10 and I have a 12. So 10, 12, I want to add this both number. Okay, so for that I want one operator. Okay, so 10 and 12 is a operands. Okay, and plus I want to add, so I have to take the plus. So plus is nothing but operator. So like that, plus is a operator, minus is a operator, division is a operator, multiplication is a operators. Like that, so many operators are the available in the Java. So we can go one by ones and we can understood like what is the operators and when we can use it. Okay, so in this video I'm going to discuss operators, which is something like arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, ternary operators. So in this, like ternary operators is one of the new things which is very important, and it will reduce the time complexity of your programs. Okay, let's start. So what is arithmetic operators? So if you see here, like operators is classified into the three, or you can consider which is three here. So in the six categories. Okay, so arithmetic operator, comparison operators, logical operators, if you see here, assignment operator, bitwise operators, and ternary operators. These are the operators. We can see like what is the arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator is means like whatever the simple operations you are doing in the math right now, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions, those are the percentage, those we can consider as a arithmetic operators. What is the comparison operators? So comparison operator something like double equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to. Those operator we can consider as a comparison. Basically they are comparing the two operands. The operators are able to compare like which one is greater, which one is like lesser, it's equal to or not. So if comparison is happen between the two operands, we can consider those operators are comparison operators. Okay, what is logical operator? Logical operator is something like you have a two operands like a and b, a having a 10 and b having a 12. Okay, and you want to check some conditions. Okay, कि both are equal or not, both are true or not, both are false or not. So we have some operators which is logical and, logical or, logical not. So those operators are basically called logical operators. I hope you know, like if you write some code, so you are giving the or, means if this one is true or if this one is true. So it means like any one of the true you can go further. So like that logical operator we are using. So later we can discuss about it, like how you can use it. Okay, in the coding I will cover each and everything, but right now Just you have to aware about it, like what is the operator, what is the category of operators, and each category you have to know about some example. Okay, like what is the arithmetic operator, what is the comparison operator, what is the logical operators. You just have some idea about it, like what is the operators, you understood the category of the operators, which is I am going to explain. So just you have to worry about and you have to know about. Okay, here you can see the assignment operator. What is the meaning of assignment operator? Equal to. Okay, you are adding two value a plus b and we are assigning those value to some particular variables. For example, I want to assign a equal to 10. So what I'm doing is, like whatever the right side value I have, which is 10, I am assigning 10 to the some particular variable, that is called assignment operator. So equal to is behaving as a assignment operators. If you talk about plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, slash equal to, percentage equal to, so those are the, we can say, shorthand operator, or also we can consider as a assignment operator. So if you want to know like what is the exactly meaning of that, so here you can go and if you see like what is the meaning of the equal to, plus equal to or plus. So basically what will happen, if you see somewhere here like int a equal to or something like int a equal to 10. Okay, and here if you see like a plus equal to 20. So what is the meaning of this line? What is the meaning of this line? So the meaning of this line is like internally it will converted like that, like a equal to, no, this is the plus equal to. So I have given plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to. So here you can see the meaning of this one is like a plus equal to. Plus equal to is converted in a equal to a plus 20. Okay, internally compiler will convert like that. If you write anywhere a plus equal to 20, internally it will convert a equal to a plus 20. It means that here you are reducing some lines of the not lines of the code, some character of the codes. Okay, we are not writing like a plus 20. If you write a plus 20, that is also fine, and if you write a plus equal to 20, that is also fine. Okay, so like that you have to understand. Same thing if you talk about a equal to or a minus equal to 30. So internally it will convert a equal to a plus 30, a minus 30. Okay, a minus 30. Okay, like that. So whenever you write this shorthand operator, which is minus equal to, plus equal to, so many people are the confused, but you don't want to confuse it. It's a very simple shorthand operator you can say, or assignment operator you can say, and we are internally it will converted equal to a minus 30 or a equal to a plus 30. Okay, let's go to the next. Here you can see the bitwise operator. So bitwise operator is also very important. If you want to achieve something very fast or very easily, we can do the coding. So many times you can see in the programming or logical coding, we are using only bitwise operators, and it is very fast and very good performance they will provide. Okay, so here if you see bitwise operators, so bitwise operators are used to perform bitwise operations on the particular integer value. Okay, so bitwise operator are used to perform bitwise operations on integer value. So these operators include bitwise and, so for example you have a bitwise and, okay, don't confuse, In the logical you have seen double end, so that is logical operator. If you go back, here you can see double equal to, double pi, double end. Okay, so don't confuse with this one. Okay, so basically this is the single end, which is bitwise operator, single or like 1 pi, and single like quotes, okay, like cap. So that is called exclusive, bitwise exclusive operators. So this is the or, this is the exclusive, this is the complement. Okay, this is the complement, and this is the left shift, this is the right shift. So you have to aware about is like, okay, this is the bitwise operator. Now we can talk about the ternary operator. The ternary operators is a shorthand way of writing a if-else statements. So whenever you are writing a if-else conditions or switch condition, in that place you can write simply the ternary operator, and ternary operator will give you the better performance compare of the switch or any others like if-else conditions. So here is the ternary operator. The ternary operators is shorthand way of the writing a if-else statement in a single line. It is the syntax like condition, question mark, value, and again value. If the condition is true, then value 1 is returned. If the condition is false, the value 2 is returned. So this is the ternary operator, and it is very very important almost in the programming, or you can say while doing a like project, we are almostly going with the ternary operator because ternary operator is very fast. If I talk about the ternary operator, so ternary operator syntax is condition. Condition is anything. If you talk about the condition, so condition is anything like something is equal to or not, it's a true or false. So condition is like true or false or something comparisons, and final, the end of the result is true and false. So while doing a comparisons, if this comparison is true, if it is true, so we are returning this value, value 1. If it is false, we are returning value 2. Understood? If I talk about, for example, I have a one value called int n equal to 10. I want to check this value is even or not. So if I want to check this value is even or not, so what I will do, I will go with the ternary operator because ternary operator is very fast and in the one line of the code we can write. Okay, so what I will do is here simply I will check like whatever the n value I have, I will divide with the, I will modulo divisions with the 2, and if it is equal to 0, if it is equal to 0, so whatever the value I have divide, like I have do the modulo division. If the remainder of this, if I divide 10 with, if I divide 10 with 2, the remainder is 0 definitely, because 10 is a even numbers. So here I am checking like if the n is what, 10, so 10 is modulo division 10 is equal to 0, then it will give, because equal to is a logical operator, so it will give me the true and false. So this will give me a true. So this is the signature syntax you have already know. So I will return here even number. This is the value I have to return. Okay, if it is not with the colon, in the between we have to give the colons, and we can return odd number, that's it. So this is the syntax you have to follow while writing a ternary operator. So this is the generic syntax, which is condition. So in the condition you can put like that, anything is possible, so you can write true, false. At the end we need only true and false, which is boolean value, and we are checking like if this is true, we are returning this value. If this is false, we are returning this value, okay, after color. So this is the syntax of the ternary operator. I hope you understood. Okay, let's go further and talk about some more operators. So here you can see some arithmetic operators example, like int a equal to 5, int b equal to 3, and we can do like int c equal to a plus b. So this is the addition operators. Minus, we are doing like int d equal to a minus d. So this is the subtraction operator, multiplication operator, division operator, module operators. This is the modulo operator. This is the comparison of the operators. So int x equal to 10, int y equal to 5. We have some boolean results. So always comparison operators will return boolean value, which is true and false. So here you can see greater than, less than, double equal to, not equal to. So this is the how you can use it, you can learn here. Next is logical operator. So logical operators is nothing but boolean p equal to true, boolean q equal to false. So boolean result equal to p and q. So we are checking like what is the p. P is true. A double and, which is logical operator, and q. So what is the q? Q is false. So p and q. So p is true and false. So true and false is what? False. True and false is false, because it's a and. Same thing. True and false is true, because one is true then true. So like that this operator will work. Not p. So p is what? True. So it will return false. It will make it false, because not equal to will do the opposite of this particular operator. So we can say this is the logical not operators. Here you can see like assignment operator, int I equal to 10. This is the shorthand operator. Also you can say I equal to plus equal to 5. So I is now 15. So for example, I is 15. How I will become 15? Plus equals operators. If you read this line, you can say plus equals operator, shorthand operator you can say. Minus equals operator, multiplication equals operator. I is 6. How I is 6? Because whatever the value you have a I. So I is right now 10. So 10 divided by 4. 10 divided by 4. What is the value? So this line will convert it. I is now 6. Okay. So if you see this like I. So I have a 10 and how it's become 6. So you can write like that. I equal to I division of 4. So when you write like divided with 4 with the tens, so 4 to the 12. So you can write 2. So I think something is wrong here. We have written, okay, division equals operators, modules equals operators. So this is the things. So plus equal to first perform the additions and then assign it. Okay. So first perform the addition, then it will assign it. So as of now you have to know about this one. So this is the bitwise operators, int num equal to int 8 and int num equal to 5. So here we have defined two variables. Okay, we have created two variables and we are doing operations with this variable. So you can see int result 8 equal to num1 num2 bitwise and operators. Okay, so this symbol is nothing but bitwise and operator, bitwise or operator, bitwise XOR might be you learn in your engineering. Okay, XOR operator. Okay, this is the complement operators. This is the left shift operator, right shift operator. So like that you can know about it. We can discuss those things also, like how it will work and how you can do work with this. Okay, this is the ternary operators, int num equal to 10. So please tell me the output. This is an assignment for you, and you have to consider like what is the output. So this is basically called ternary operator. For example, a string result equal to num modulo division 2 equal to 0. So this is the condition. Then after we are given the question marks. So question marks or colon. This is the proper syntax of the ternary operator. So whenever you see some question marks and then after colon, that you can consider as a ternary operator. And please, what is the output of this code, please comment in the descriptions. Okay, whatever the discussion section we have, you can write your names or you can explain this one like how it is working. Okay, and that's it. Later we can discuss some more about some other topics, and slowly we can try to grab the knowledge on that, and then we can start coding, and we can understood like how we are doing work with those operators and how we are doing the project on the Java. Okay, so each and everything we can discuss in the upcoming video. Thank you so much.